Well, to a developing story this evening that Prince Andrew has requested a trial by jury to settle the civil case that has been brought against him by Virginia Giuffre. Let's speak to our US correspondent, Martha Kellner, who's following the case. And what is the significance of this then, Martha?
Yeah, Anna, this is a formal response, Andrew and his lead lawyer, Andrew Brettler, to this civil suit brought against him by Virginia Giuffre. It's the first time they've engaged with these complaints, these claims made by Virginia Giuffre in their full detail. Just as a reminder, Virginia Giuffre claims she was trafficked around the world by the paedophile Jeffrey Epstein and the convicted sex trafficker Ghislaine Maxwell and forced to have sex with rich and powerful men, including Prince Andrew. In this filing, he formally denies those claims that Virginia Giuffre has made. He also, perhaps the most interesting bit of this document, is the bit that says he demands a trial by jury. Just to get the exact wording of that for you, he says, Prince Andrew hereby demands a trial by jury on all causes of action asserted in the complaint. Now, this is sort of standard legal procedure in that Virginia Giuffre had already requested a trial by jury and Prince Andrew is agreeing to that demand. So it means that if this case, does reach a trial, it will be heard by a jury. Of course, it's important to remember that in America, 95% of these civil cases don't ever reach the stage where they're heard in court in a trial, so that in itself would be remarkable. But Virginia Giuffre's lawyer, David Boies, implied that he would welcome being the chance to face Prince Andrew in court. He's released a statement saying, Prince Andrew's answer continues his approach of denying any knowledge or information concerning the claims against him and purporting to blame the victim of the abuse for somehow bringing it on herself. We look forward to confronting Prince Andrew with his denials and attempts to blame Ms Giuffre for her own abuse at his deposition and at trial. The next stage of this process, if it continues without any settlement out of court, and there is no indication at the moment that that would happen, there would be a deposition, which means Prince Andrew would face Mr Boies, Virginia Giuffre's lawyers, and have to answer questions about the claims that she's making against him. If it does go ahead to trial, it could happen as soon as September, although there is some flexibility in that process. It could carry on to next year, but certainly this situation not drawing to a close anytime soon.
Martha, updating us there from Washington. Thank you.